Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a 25-piece car trim removal tools kit from a company called ADPOW. This is a kit that has lots of different tools for uninstalling a lot of things on your car, on your boat, on your airplane, and includes this really nice storage bag. Now on this bag there is a zipper right here, and you slide that open, and let's take a look at what's inside here. So you can see this is a very full package, and we're going to go over what's in here in a minute. So you can see on the left hand side here that there is all these prying tools, and I'm going to give a slide that shows the dimensions of these tools. Now these are really handy because they won't damage your finish on the car, but yet they will allow you to pry open things on your automobile or your airplane or your boat. And I've used these successfully to pry open the panels of the door, the rocker panels essentially, without damaging them. And the wider one you use, in this case, the less damage to whatever you're opening up. So this has some unusual ones that I've never seen before, like this one right here, which is unique for your application. And this one right here I've never seen before also, which has a little knurled section right there, so you can grab something and lift it just like that. And as you can see, they have a nice material that holds them in, that has a stretch material sewed in to allow these things to stay in place. And here's another unique looking tool right here that I've never seen before. It's kind of like, some hammers have that, but this is a plastic version of that, so that you could lift things on your automobile. And here's a little unique one too that's shaped like a little skateboard that you could use for every given application. Now these are all very durable, what they're made out of. And I mentioned it's great for, car audio radio systems, installing or removing door panels, moldings, emblems, window trims, automotive interior repairing, and furniture restoration too. They're molded according to car trimming needs on the market, adopted impact resistant nylon fiber material with a matte finish treatment, and moderate curves that are not sharp. It's anti-scratching and harmless to car paint, which is what you really want. It's all ergonomically designed with super lightweight, easy handheld features, and you could reach very narrow spaces and crevices without doing any damage to the interior or exterior of the car. And you'll get 11 pieces of trim removal tools, one clip, one plier, 2 pieces of fastener removers, 8 pieces of car audio remover keys, 3 pieces of car terminal remover tools, and a bonus portable storage bag, which I'm going to show. Now this has a 1-year warranty and 24-hour support from the seller of this product. So if you're not satisfied for any reason, please contact them and they will take care of your issues. This is a nylon fiber, I think I mentioned that. It won't break or bend like common ABS. And this is incredibly strong. I mean, I could try and break this. I can't even break it. You can see I could barely put any bending force on there. Then there's this other tool right here, which I've never seen before, and this one right here, which is unique also. And this is metal, and you can put this under the plastic nuts that hold in your carpet, and they will pop them open. And this is unique because this allows you to slide this under something, and then when you push, look at the profile, it opens up to allow you to put a vertical outward force on whatever you're opening up. And this is, great for you can quickly remove staple clips of different sizes on your car or even on packages, boxes that come in. There's some other tools that I'm going to describe. There's a little packet right here, and then this holder. There's a little separate bag, and in this bag there's a whole slew of tools that some of them I've seen before. Other ones are quite unique. I've never seen this type of tool, and I think I have a slide, a graphic showing what that could possibly be used for. But it's something that you slide under because it has these two little tabs on the end right there, and it allows you to lift. And then here's a little T-bar that has a sharp point on there, and there's another T-bar that has a straight point, not a 90-degree point. They're called car plug terminal extractor tools that to remove a wire intact from a donor harness and add a new wire very easily. And then this is a nice little additional holder that you can keep in this kit to house all these tools. So you can see right here that you get a lot of unique tools right here that I haven't seen a lot of these, so I'm really anxious to try them on my car and on my electrical connection. So what do I think about this product? The ADP-OW 25-piece car trim removal tools kit and car audio removal tools. I think this is a great buy. You can see the amount of tools right here. They all seem like they're very high quality. This is extremely rigid. They're using good plastic without any sharp edges on anything. And by the way, I forgot to mention there's a smaller version of that tool right there. So you see the quality is here, no sharp edges. The plastic on these are very durable, as I demonstrated. Just a slight flex in them. They're not going to damage your car. So this is a great product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're alerted when I upload new video content. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.